Welcome back to Berkhorst Country Living. Today, or for this video, we are going to be blessing a stranger. And so stay tuned to see how Isaac and I worked on a project together to bring a little bit of joy to a stranger. And we did this because we do want to inspire you to do the same. We think it's a good thing for us to love each other and show that love in action. Come with us on this journey where we make the decision to do something for somebody we do not know. So me and Isaac together had a good time, and so welcome. Enjoy the video. Oh, and it is a two-part video that it got a little bit long, and so I broke it into two 10-minute videos. I do appreciate if you watch them and enjoy both of them. And yeah, just come with us on this journey. All right. God bless you. Anything you want to say?
Yeah.
No?
I know.
You want to dance?
No.
Come on, let's dance. Come on, I'll dance with you. How often do you get Dad to dance with you?
Never.
I hesitated to even do this video at all because I think that sometimes when you bless somebody that it should be done almost anonymously. But sometimes I watch videos on YouTube and I see people blessing others, and I'm inspired by it. So I thought, well, maybe especially during this holiday season, maybe I would put something out there to hopefully bless somebody and maybe inspire you to do the same, because I think we should bless each other, even strangers. So Isaac and I are going to do a little project here. Typically when I get wood from for a project or a sign that you see on some of these videos, I'm getting them on Marketplace, old furniture. It's reclaimed furniture. Sometimes they're kind of these ugly tables that maybe were handed down from grandpa and grandma and they just don't fit the style anymore. Sometimes they're big chunky wood, oak, or occasionally walnut or maple. And so usually it just doesn't fit the style. But this one here, for some reason, it was a lady, her name's Lynda, and she had this on Marketplace for free because she just moved into the area and the movers did not do a very good job of packing her stuff. And this table that she loves and used quite often was destroyed, or at least that's what she thought, that it was destroyed. And so she put it on Marketplace for free in the hopes that maybe it would someone would be handy enough to fix it up and be able to use it. I intended, when I got it, to turn it into a sign because it's beautiful cherry wood. As I left that interaction, I kind of just thought maybe I would change my mind and not do a sign, and maybe I would just put this thing back together for her and give it back to her. She has no idea that that's what my intentions are. So I've had it for about a month, and I'm finally getting to it. But my intention now is to completely refinish it. So I mean, it's going to look like a brand new table to her, and it's going to be just beautifully finished. But not just that. Isaac and I are going to do this together, and what we're going to do is we're going to finish this all down. It's going to be beautiful. But then I took a picture that she had on her Facebook that she took of some flowers. This beautiful sunflower picture that she took. She doesn't know that I stole that picture from her, and I'm gonna carve that in the middle of this thing, color it with beautiful epoxy, finish it off, and then Isaac and I are gonna bring it to her. And so this journey is gonna involve me and Isaac getting this thing ready to go together, and then we're gonna go bless this lady, and she hopefully will be happy with it. So anyway, you ready? All right, thumbs up. Okay, go Niners. Wow, that's a lot of snow. Yeah. Yeah, we just woke up and we were supposed to get a little snow, but we didn't think we were going to be getting, I don't know, that's probably 4 inches at least. And counting. Alrighty. Crevice. So Isaac he's sanding in there. Show him how you're doing that. He's got a bent. So he's trying to sand that off in there, get that groove cleaned up. We did a little bit here. We're not going to get too picky with it because it might add a little character to have a little bit of dark spots in there, but we still need to, we sanded it at 60 and next is 120, and I'm going to go to 240. So this is the legs. We sanded them, so at least to 60 grit. We still got to sand it down a little bit, but we got a little bit of work to do yet. But let's do our next little clippy poo. Okay, so what we're doing here is we are going to, we're taking a picture from Lynda's Facebook page. She takes pictures of flower arrangements, and she's got this beautiful picture. Maybe I'll post it here, right here, so you can see. And we're just taking that. We're using some computer software to grab that, and we're cutting out around it. And I think we found the right balance. Isaac's approved of it, and I hope it turns out okay. What we're gonna do is this. Okay, you want to point when I talk about it, son? Okay, so this is the size of the tabletop right here. Okay, and so the inside, that is pink, right there. We're gonna carve that first. That part's gonna get carved first. And after we carve that, we're gonna spray paint that black, and it's gonna be textured. Kind of a risky thing because this is a tabletop, but we're doing a kind of an art piece here. So we're gonna carve that, and we're gonna spray paint it black, and that way it'll have texture to it. The outside, which is the leaves, the blossom petals, that we're going to carve after the paint has dried, and we're going to do a nice epoxy, maybe a multicolor epoxy finish on that. So, all right. So what we're doing next, and I'll show you. Let's just bring it on over to the tabletop. Isaac has been sanding on this, as you have seen probably. Whoops. And so this is coming out good. He's still got some work to do on it, but this is the exact size that you just saw in the computer rendering. So that sunflower will go right in the middle here. And the more I get into this, the more I am worried that Lynda is not going to like it. So the reason for that is that you can come hang out with me. The reason for that is that I actually had messaged her. I want to keep our communication kind of up front and center. I don't want to lose contact with her. So I had I messaged her yesterday, just saying, asking her what it is that she used this for. She doesn't suspect anything. She just is hoping that I can fix it so that I can use it. So she has no idea what we're doing here, but like I said, we're doing we're going to bless a stranger, and that's what we're trying to inspire you to do too. And so me and Isaac together, hopefully we can finish this have it ready to go well before Christmas so that you guys can enjoy the video, and hopefully we'll get her reaction too. So anyway, on to the next thing. All right, dude, how do you think it looks?
I like it. It
Looks
looks awesome.
awesome? All right. So this is the textured part here. That is the inside. We're gonna spray paint that black. And then after that, we'll do the other carve, do the epoxy, and then we'll sand it all down again. So that's kind of where it's at. All right, we gotta vacuum all the little teeny bits out. So that's what Isaac's gonna do right now. Go for it, dude. That's my son right there. He's such a good helper. He's gonna make someone really happy someday. He's gonna be a great apprentice and leader someday. Because that boy, he can know what I need before I ask for it. So I might be doing a project and he'll know exactly what I need, what tool I'll need, or what material I'll need before I even have to ask it. Not all the time, but he's always thinking ahead. He's a really good kid, man. That's my son. Go Niners! All right, so just real quick, I had to glue that up. We're holding it clamped shut right now. Beautiful cherry legs. This is the legs to the table. Just wanted to give you kind of a look. So here's those biscuits I was talking about. So yeah, we got to do that all around. that's it for part one of this project. Part two will immediately follow. It just was a pretty long video for just all one video. So this is a two-part video. Stay tuned as we bring this over to Lynda and get her reaction to it. Also, just want to let you know that we sell cutting boards and charcuterie boards and all kinds of things that that you could want. We can personalize it and make it your own, have your own sayings, have your name, anything. And we get creative and we work with our clients very closely to get them exactly what they would like. Our business is called Country Blessings Customs, and we're out of Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. So just send me a message. I can give you my phone number, and we will work with you to get you exactly what you would want in a cutting board, a name sign, or a lake sign. So God bless you. Stay tuned for part two, which you can post right here. You just click it right here, and it'll jump right into part two. God bless.